Located near Lake Tahoe that looks toward a mountain range, Martis Camp 506 that designed by Blaise McCoy architecture is a rectilinear, multi-level holiday home features blackened wood, glass, and stone. The retreat is located within a 2,200-acre, 890 hectares, ski and golf community situated between the lake and the historic town of Truckee, California. Built on a sloped, forested site, the spacious home offers sweeping views of the Carson Range Mountains to the north and west. A stone plinth mediates the steep pitch of the site, creating both a cloistered parking court as well as a base on which the two-story house rests. Accessed from the lower part of the site, the house is a simple L, with the two wings linked by the double-height glazed entry and stair hall, located at the intersection of the two geometries. The den to the northwest projects out beyond the stone base, creating a secluded, glazed refuge and serves as a balance to the roof projection on the opposite side of the house. High stone retaining walls along the high point of the site combine with a dramatically cantilevered roof to provide extensive, sheltered outdoor patio space that includes outdoor cooking, dining, and living areas. These program elements surround the open-plan great room that contains living, dining, and kitchen. Here's a look at the plan. Black stained cedar siding will allow for the house to blend with the landscape during the summer and fall and pose as a dramatic counterpoint to the snow cover through the winter months.